Dear viewers, Namaskar. In view of the rising number of COVID cases in Rourkela and the nearby areas, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing, and avoiding crowded places. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, effective maintenance improves production performance and equipment availability in coke ovens department. And road safety initiatives undertaken in SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Coming to the news in details, the committed and enthusiastic employees of coke oven department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant have carried out several maintenance activities for improving the production performance and equipment availability of the department. Several efforts were made to sustain required pushing cycle. During the gas changeover, the pushing used to reduce considerably to the level of 70, leading to huge production loss. To improve this, the Coke Ovens Department Collective introduced new logics in PLC control operational sequence. It also introduced collard wheel in the long travel wheels of yard equipments, which have improved equipment availability. To enhance the coal blend optimization, 64 air blasters were installed in expansion coal blending bunker, which has contributed to maintain consistency in coal blend, thereby improving coke quality. The coal blend optimization in battery 6 resulted in reduced coke fines in CDCP chamber, which helped to improve permeability of gas flow, thus bringing about stability in CDCP operation. This has helped to sustain the pushing level consistently at 93, and even during changeover, it is maintained at the level of 80s. To prevent system malfunction, PLC programming of high pressure hydrojet door cleaner mechanism was modified in-house. This has ensured door cleaning of battery 6, thereby eliminating door setting problem and achieving pushing consistency. The other measures undertaken to improve coke quality and performance were revamping of 17 by 26X series and M22 receiving concrete tube with basalt tile lining, modification of coal receiving operation practice, capstan winch tail end pulley, and quenching tower in battery 3. The underlining gas line in cellar area of all batteries were replaced and cleaned to maintain stable gas pressure to ensure uniform thermal regime. As a result, smooth running of the coke screening plant has been ensured, flood quenching facilitated, optimum coal charge and optimization of coal blend has enhanced coke oven gas yield. It has also helped in bringing about substantial savings for the company. On the safety front of the department collective, installed 3 high-mast light posts under AMR scheme at coal yard for increasing the visibility, thereby contributing towards safe working condition. Besides, replacement of 5 GCM bleeder assemblies along with disc of coke oven battery 1 in raw CO gas circuit has ensured the operational safety within the department. Safety Engineering Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been putting in out all efforts to comply with the requirements of ISO 45001-2018 Occupational Health Safety Management System to ensure safety at workplace. To eliminate road accidents, various steps have been taken by the department across the plant. Speed limit signboards are displayed widely inside the plant. Surprise checks are organized to ensure appropriate speed and use of safety life-saving devices. Audio alarm system has been installed at 11 rail level crossings to alert road users. 5 drop gates have been installed at crucial rail level crossings like Steel Melting Shop 2, Blast Furnace 1 and 5, near coke oven and coal chemical department and hot strip mill slag yard to prevent road accidents. Road traffic signaling system installed at 2 busy road junction inside the plant, that is ED Works Building Chalk and SMS 2 Chalk. Two portable speed radar guns have also been procured for monitoring speed of vehicles during surprise checks. ANPR automatic number plate recording system has been procured and the installation work is in progress at 5 locations for monitoring speed of the vehicles. 43 convex mirrors have also been installed at different road turnings for proper vigilance and reflection. RSP has been taking every possible step to improve its road safety within the plant and provide safe working environment to its employees. That's all from our news desk today. Namaskar.